The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 18 Al-Kahf, verse 60.
And mention when Moses said to his boy, i.e. servant, I will not cease traveling until I reach the junction of the two seas or continue for a long period.
A Muslim should never believe they possess too much knowledge, so therefore they do not need to seek or gain more. In addition, they should never be too shy in gaining useful knowledge from anyone, irrespective of their age, social status, or anything else. The Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, is one of the highest-ranking holy prophets, peace be upon them, yet he still journeyed to learn from someone who possessed a lower rank than his own. A person who rejects the truth when it is presented to them, because they believe they are superior to the one who is imparting the knowledge, has clearly adopted pride. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. In fact, this same narration warns that an atom's worth of pride is enough to take someone to hell. Unfortunately, this attitude is commonly observed in this day and age, as Muslims often ignore the advice and knowledge given to them by those who are younger than them. This is often seen in parents who reject what their children advise, claiming parents always know best. As proven by this great event, a person should never be embarrassed or ashamed to accept the truth from anyone, whether this truth is connected to worldly or religious matters. Put simply, the Muslim who believes they do not need to gain knowledge from others is a truly ignorant person, even if they possess much knowledge. Whereas, the person who possesses little knowledge which they act upon, and are always open to gaining more beneficial knowledge from anyone, is a truly knowledgeable person. Finally, one must always remember that knowledge without action is not beneficial at all. One will only gain benefit in both worlds when they gain useful knowledge and then act on it. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.